figure from the exchange rate. How many of you realize our ringgit is getting smaller and smaller? Yeah? Anyone is in our Beyond Insights Facebook? Yeah? If not, I do encourage you to like our Facebook so you can actually get updated on some of the major changes. Right? Let me see if I can get to the right. I'll show you some of the trends that's happening right now. Yeah. Since May this year, this is the you just go to XE, exchangerate.com, exchangerate.com, and you'll be able to see this. Yeah? And you see the you can put any number here, US dollar to ringgit. You can put any currency. So just click go. Yeah, and you will get a chart. Okay. Yeah. So this is the US dollar to ringgit exchange rate chart. Okay. So you may not be able to see the figure. Let me enlarge it. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Beginning of the year, it was about 3.1 something. Then it went as low as in May. It was actually below 3. Yeah, $1 US was below 3. And guess what is it now? Can you see the steep increase here? Yeah, is this alarming? Yeah. So it was more than 3.3. So I show you the latest exchange rate from Maybank. Yeah, this is where you can find it. Yeah, go to maybank.com. I hope it's not a repeat of the Asian financial crisis. Yeah, but it can get treated back, so you need to be prepared. Yeah. So this is the Maybank rate. Yeah. Okay. So you look at the header. Yeah. This is the one that you should be looking at. Currency notes, not the TT. TT is for travelers check. So scroll all the way down and look for the one that is higher, because when you exchange you pay higher. Okay. Can you see this? US dollar. Sorry. Yeah. This is the line item. Bid and ask. So which one do you pay when you exchange? Let's say now you have a ringgit, you want to convert to US. Do you pay the 3.344 or 3.226? You pay the more expensive, yeah? So 3.344. Do you know what is the impact in terms of 3.344 right now? I remember at the beginning of the year when I was exchanging, it was only about 3.04. Yeah, 3.06, yeah, around that figure. So look at this. This is what? 304.3. Yeah. So if you look at it, if you have 10,000 US, previously you can convert to 30,000. But now 10,000 US you can convert to this. So it's about 304 extra. So if you take this 0.304, yeah, divide by what? Divide by what? Originally is 3.04. What do you get? Yeah, it's close to 10%. So you could have made money just from currency exchange without doing even any trading. So unfortunately, because all my trading account right now are in US dollar. Yeah. So this is it better than FD? Yeah. So if you put in a bank, cannot cover the exchange loss that you have. And I really feel it a lot when I travel. How many of you that have traveled this year? Yeah? How do you feel when you convert your ringgit? Pleasant? No one? Yeah? So because recently I traveled to Singapore quite a lot, and it's already 2.6. Yeah? 2.6, and it has gone up 2.62 one time as well. So, and I have tracked ringgit against the regional currency. We are still down. Yeah? Even if I compare with not just Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia. Across the region. Of course, Thailand is doing bad. India is the worst. Yeah, and we are probably in the next trend. Yeah, Ringgit also is going up. So and US is strengthening across the board. Other than Swiss franc, yeah, it's been strengthening across the board. One of the reasons is because the US government is planning to reduce the stimulus. So when they reduce the stimulus, when they're printing less money, so the currency can go back up. Even though they have been printing a lot of money, right? You agree? Yeah, the currency is supposed to be not worth so much, but they are best among the worst. You know what I mean? Everybody in the world, their currency is going down. So USD is strengthening because at least the economy is recovering. So even I'm actually part of the I'm in the distribution list for Standard Chartered Bank and Citibank Priority Banking, and I used to get their market outlook. They are actually recommending their customers to move their funds to developed countries. Yeah, developed countries means US and Europe. Yeah, rather than emerging emerging country. Yeah, they used to be said move to emerging economies. Now it's the other way around. So because of this, there are a few reasons why our ringgit is going down. Anyone want to share if you know what is happening? Why is our ringgit going down against the regional and US currency? It's important for everyone to know that, because when you travel, you realize. Yeah. Anyone want to try? Yeah. One of the reasons is because funds because of there's a cascading effect. Those of you who trade Malaysia stocks, do you realize the stock market has gone down a lot together with the exchange rate? Because the exchange rate was going down so fast, money are pulling out of Malaysia because a lot of foreign funds. Yeah, you could make money from stock market, but you lose back 10% from exchange rate, right? Yeah, and the worst part is this, right? The worst part is this steepness here. Yeah, this steepness here. That means if you exchange 1,000, you get another extra 300 more. Is that a lot of money? Yeah, I mean if you exchange earlier compared to now, 1,000 US. Yeah, so this is very, very steep, and it's actually start from India problem. Yeah, India has a high deficit, so a lot of foreign funds are worried and they were downgraded. There's a rating agency. Two main rating agencies. One is called S&P rating. The other one is called Fitch rating. And they go around the world giving credit rating to people. Whether you're credit worthy, that means you can repay back your debt. And they downgraded India. Yeah. So which are the next few ones coming? Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia. Yeah. So once they downgrade, it's not good news. So when they downgrade, a lot of funds pull out of India, even their own people. So the currency control used to be 200,000, reduced to 75,000 now. They worry a lot of money getting out of India. Yeah. So can this happen to Malaysia too? Yeah. During the Asian financial crisis, they put in a lot of capital controls. 50,000, yeah, max you can transfer at any one time, and they relaxed to 200,000 already. Right now, you can anytime you can transfer 200,000 out. Yeah. In 1 year, if you have domestic borrowing, let's say a housing loan or car loan, you can transfer maximum 1 million. I think they're going to control that further, because if you look at this trend, do you think Bank in the Ground will do something? Yeah, they will do something. Yeah. It was very steep. So when I saw the trend, for a few weeks I've been transferring some money out, extra money, because I know this is not healthy. Yeah. So, and every time, after every week I go, the exchange rate going up. Until this week I stopped, it's just going too high. Yeah, and it's quite a bad trend until the point where I look at the chart, and this is why the foreign funds are pulling out of Asia. When they pull out Asia, there's one reason why the Asia stock market is going down. There's another reason, because US dollar is strengthening. So they find that they will get more money for their bucks by investing in US, because they get from currency exchange and also the stock market recovering. Yeah, and also because of the stimulus. US is issuing 85 billion bonds every month. Yeah, has been more than 1 year already. So a lot of money is in the market. Yeah. So and because Europe is also not doing that well. So where is the only country in the world, right, that you think you can invest safely?